capture the number for math. And first, I'm going to show you what is hiding under my shade. We have double 10 frames, but let me hide that for a minute because I want to share with you how we play this game. So how we play the game is that I am going to count the numbers on our double 10 frames, and then I am going to use these markers and we're going to play together. So I will be yellow and you will be green like we do in the classroom. So I play against the class, and so I am going to need some markers and you guys are going to need some markers. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at the double 10 frames, and then we're going to count the number, and then when it's my turn I am going to count the numbers, and then I am going to use one of these markers to cover the number that shows how many dots are on the double 10 frame. And then when it's your turn, we'll count the numbers together, and then I will use the green marker to cover the number that shows the number of dots on the double 10 frame. And then we have some questions down here that we'll work on later. Let's hide this before we get started. Okay, so it'll be my turn first, and then it will be your turn. And when it's my turn, I'm going to use the yellow markers, and you guys will use the green markers. And when you play this at home, this is a partner game, so you will need an adult or maybe an older sibling to help you play. All right, so let's get started. I'll go first. Let's see. I'm going to move this down because when I'm done, I won't need my double 10 frame anymore, so I'll hide it behind the shade. So let's see. I know that the top row of red dots is a group of 10. So I can count on. I'm not going to sit here and count each one of these red dots because I know that this is a whole group of 10. So I'm going to count 10 and then count on from 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So my number is 14. So I captured the number 14. So let's hide the number 14 because that's the one that I captured. And then you have to move the double 10 frame down so you can't see it anymore because it's not my turn anymore. Oh, and then there's a tricky part to this game. If we played this in the classroom, it would be the same way. So we have a deck of cards, and your deck of cards in school would look just like this deck here. It would be double 10 frames, but there will be 2 of some groups of numbers. So that will mean that if you land on a number that's already been captured, you would lose your turn. Okay, so now it's your turn. So let's count together. We know that this is a group of 10, so we're not going to sit here and count all of these numbers. We're counting the fast way. So let's say 10 and count on 11. All right, so let's get our marker. And then let's capture the number 11 for you guys. All right, so let's hide this double 10 frame down here because we don't need that anymore. Now it's my turn. Oh, so I just have 10. I don't have any down here, so I just have one group of 10. So it's just a 10. So let me get my yellow marker and drag it over to the number 10. All right, I'm all done with this card, so I'm going to hide it down here. All right, now it's your turn. So let's count the group of numbers together. So again, we're not counting one by one. We know that this is a group of 10, so we're saying 10 and counting on. Ready? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So let me get a green marker for you and cover up the number 16. Now I know the number 16 has a 6 in it because I hear when I say the number 16 that it has a 6. And here is 16. It has the number 6 and teen numbers begin with a 1, so I know that this is the number 6. Alright, so now it's my turn. Let's hide your double 10 frame. Oh, I know what this number is just by looking at it, because I know that 10 plus 2 more is 12. So this is pretty easy. So I'm not going to count since it's my turn, and I'm just going to run over here and grab my marker and bring it back. So I am going to cover the number 12. Now it's going to be your turn. Ooh, this is a tricky one. But you may know what this number is too, because there's a little trick. Because a double 10 frame has 10 and 10. And if we take one away, I know that the number that comes before 20 is 19. But let's count it together anyway. So this is a group of 10. So we say 10, and then we count on 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. All right, now let me get your green marker and cover up the number 19. All right. Ooh, this one's tricky, so let me count. You can count with me if you like. I know this is a group of 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And ooh, I go and look for my 17. So I know that this number is 17 because when I say it, I hear the number 7. And I know that teen numbers have a 1 that come in front of them. So this is the number 17. So it's still available. No one has captured this yet. It's getting close. So I'm going to say that one of these cards coming up soon is going to be a double. And someone's going to lose their turn. So let's see. So I shuffled up these cards really good. So I don't know what number comes next. So let me hide this one. Okay, now it's your turn. So let's count these numbers together. We know this is a group of 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Oh, when I'm looking for the number 16, I am looking for a 6 in my number with a 1 in front of it. Oh no! And you've already captured this number. So now it's going to be my turn. All right, so let's hide this card. All right, now let's see. I'm going to count fast. Count with me. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 is a tricky number. But I know that I can come down to my number line and I can count starting at the number 10 because I know what the number 10 looks like and I can count on until I come to the number 15. So let's do that together. So I have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Ooh, it's not captured. So I get to get my yellow marker and cover up the number 15. All right, let's see what number is next. All right, so this is an easy one. Let's count this quick. 10, 11, 12. Oh, but I might not know what the number 12 looks like. So let's start at 10. We have 10, 11, 12. Uh-oh, this number's already captured. So now it's going to be my turn again. Okay, let's see. So I know this is a group of 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Oh, so I know that this number has a 7 in it. So I'm going to look for my number with a 7. Oh, there it is. And 17 has a 1 in front of it. But this number's already been captured. So now it's your turn. All right, let's count. This is a group of 10, and then we'll count on. 10, 11, 12, 13. Ooh, look at the number 13. It's in between the 12 and the 14. So number 13. So this number hasn't been captured. So now you can capture it with your green marker. Ooh, what number do we have left? If you said the number 18, you're right. Let's see if it's going to be next or if it's going to be a double. Let's put it away. Ooh, what do you think? I think it might be the number 18. Let's look. Let's count. You ready? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. It is the number 18. Yay! So I get to hide the number 18. And let's see, I don't know if we have any more. Nope, that was the last one. All right. So now we'll put it down here. And we'll answer these questions. It says, write the numbers you captured. So I will write the numbers that I captured. So I'm going to click right there. I'm going to put my little arrow there, and I'm going to click, and then I'm going to come down to here to this letter T, and there's a writing tool. Oh no, actually, I think I'm using my calculator to write the numbers. So let's do that. So I was yellow. So I captured, oh, but I need to move this out of my way. Let me see. I'm going to move this over here for now, so I can see my numbers, and then I'll move it back the other way. So I captured the number 10, 12, 14, 15, and I'm putting a space in between my numbers so they don't all run together. All right, so let me move it over. So I have 15, so here I go. I need a space, 17, and 18. Okay, now I'm done. So I click this blue button for done, and then I just get my numbers and I drag them over to here, and I just put them there. So these are the numbers that I captured. How many numbers did you capture? So let's see. How many numbers did I capture? Okay, so I have, let me count my numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I captured 6 numbers. So let me see. So I need to go to my calculator and write the number 6. Then I'm done. So that can go right here. And then how about how many numbers did you capture? Let's see. Oh, this should be how many numbers did I capture? Oh no. How many numbers did you capture? That's right. And then how many numbers did your partner capture? Oh, Mrs. Henry's getting confused. Okay, so how many numbers did my partner capture? That would be you guys. So let's count the green markers. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you guys captured 4 numbers. So let me write the number 4 in my box, and I will pull it down. Okay. And then circle the number that is greater. So what number is greater? Is 6 greater or is 4 greater? Take a minute to think. If you said 6 is the bigger number, you are correct. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to get my drawing tool. I'm going to use this one with the squiggly line. And I can even pick the color by clicking on this little wheel here with all of these different colors. And let's see, I think I like red. So I'm going to draw a red circle around my 6. And then it says put an X on the number that is less. So I will put a number on this number that is less, because 4 is less than 6. All right, great job. And I will link this to the lesson plans so you can play. Remember, you need a partner. So ask someone in your house to see if they want to play with you, and have fun. Until next time. Goodbye.